Is your boss planning to replace you with AI? I just got back from speaking at a crypto and AI summit in Washington, D.C. And my biggest takeaway was the statement that 50% of white-collar jobs will disappear in the next 10 years. The consensus was we should all assume that if AI can do your job, it will do your job. However, I'm not sure I totally agree. While there's no doubt that AI will change our economy even more than the internet did, I think that 50% figure assumes that demand will stay the same. Essentially, AI will make it less expensive to produce the same amount of work. Accounting and law firms will be able to service the same number of clients with less people. Car manufacturers will be able to build the same number of cars with less people. However, I think that AI will mostly eliminate the work that most people don't enjoy doing, so that workers can do more in the same amount of time. But here's the thing. I think the best companies aren't thinking about using AI to produce the same output. They're thinking about how to use it to produce more. And here's how it connects to the Latino brand. During the summit, my interviewer said that Hispanics have been slow adopters to new technologies. So how will they adopt to AI? And I responded by challenging his premise. I said that when the internet became a thing, you needed a desktop computer, you needed to live in an area that had access to the internet or broadband, and you needed to be able to afford the costs associated with both. The barriers for Latinos were more economic than cultural. However, that all changed when wireless technology replaced wired technology. Wireless and mobile technology not only helped close those gaps, Latinos actually leapfrogged over the other segments of our population when it came to adopting to new technologies. Look it up. So why did that happen? Because of the youth of the Hispanic population. Most people are thinking about the risks of AI. And they should be, but we should spend more time thinking about the possibilities and lean in. I believe that AI presents an incredible opportunity for Latinos. The winners in the new economy will be the businesses and employees who leverage AI not to produce the same, but to produce more for less, to build bigger businesses and become more successful. With AI, we might be at the precipice of the greatest economic opportunity for Latinos ever, to earn more, build successful businesses, and build long-term generational wealth. But it won't happen on its own. We need to make it happen. As parents, we need to make sure that our children get this message and are ready for the new economy. This is our time. If you want to hear more about the Latino brand, leadership, and building wealth, follow me for more.